Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get fast shipping on CJ Dropshipping. First is choose CJ Pocket. CJ Pocket is a CJ's fastest shipping option, which is in US, it takes only 7 to 12 days, while on UK and Euro, use country-specific lines like CJ Pocket Sensitive GB or CJ Pocket Euro Ordinary. It's usually cheaper and then faster than ePockets or USPS. Two is choose United States and Euro warehouses. If your product is in the US warehouse, shipping takes just 2 to 7 days using a USPS Plus. You can just filter by warehouse, USA, when picking the products. And you can ask CJ support to move the top products to the local warehouse too. Third is avoid delays from product type. Some items like electronics or liquids have limited shipping lines. Always check the product attributes and choose the right line, and use the CJ shipping calculator with correct weight and category. And then if shipping is low, message the support. They can recommend the best line, transfer inventory, and help with the stock orders. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.